Hello guys, this is Terminator Tech here with another unboxing. Today I am going to be looking at the Beats X. Just got these in the mail. Want to do a quick unboxing and a setup to show you guys. This is the real deal Beats X. Get the wireless Bluetooth, battery up to 8 hours, fast fuel 5 minutes gives you 2 hours. Just really nice, removable, secure fit wingtips. Flex from cable, and then we got music control. So without further ado, let's open this up. Let's see what we get in the box. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so there's, let's see, take this. All right, this pulls out. Put that aside. So look at what they give us in the box. Alright, so we got some ear tips. Got small, medium, large. Okay. And then we got wing tips. Looks like the first ones are smaller, the second ones are bigger. So small and large. And then on the other side we got a little case. Nice silicone material. Feels really good. Beats, nothing in there, so that's, and then of course we're getting our lightning cable over here. Wow, this is actually the first Beats that actually come with a lightning cable. Usually they're USB connection. Okay, well they do provide you with a short lightning cable, so that's nice. That's good to have. What else we got in here? Beats X, some Beats stickers. Quick little start guide, iOS 10. Okay, nothing that we don't know. Volume up, play, pause, all that good stuff. Beat stickers, warranty. Okay. All right, let's move aside and let's look at the real deal. Okay, pull this out. Okay. This is the Beats X. Looks like comes with a medium earpiece out here. Side. So you got a little bit thicker rubber here. Feels very good. You got the on-off right here, and you got your other side. Looks like these right here are batteries. Got the little Beats logo. Let's look at the focus. The power. And then you got the Beats. Now, from what I understand, these should pair up to your iPhone right away. And they also have a magnet. So that's nice when you have it on your neck, just like that, so you don't lose them. Let's see if we can pair them up real quick. Oh, there it is. So it pops up straight out, unlock to connect. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so it says it's connecting. 89%. Okay, so that's it. We're done. We're connected, right? Let's see. Bluetooth. Yep, Beats X right there. Connect. I'm gonna try them out really quick. See if we can play a song. Okay. Not sure if you can hear this. They sound good. They could be a little bit louder, but for the purposes of working out and just having a quick pair, wireless pair, this is a really good solution. So this is what you get in the box. Just real quick overview. Sticker. You get the beads. You get the case. And you get the wingtips. Okay. So this is Christy. She's been using the AirPods for quite some time, and I've just gotten the Beats X, and I want her opinion on it. Can you give us your opinion on it?
Sure. Okay, so I really like the look of this. It comes with a case that recharges them in literally 5 minutes. It's to 99%. It's awesome. But one thing I don't like about them is they're very hard, and I have soft skin that's sensitive, so these literally like hurt my ears. I like the sound on it. The sound quality is actually exceptional, but it doesn't have sound, what do you call it, with soundproof or
noise canceling?
Noise canceling abilities, because it's not like an it's not a plastic closure, like a rubber closure. So that's another thing, and the reasons why it's uncomfortable. But the case and the charger is awesome. It does charge in 5 minutes, and you get 3 charges from it. But he got these, and these are the Beats X. Yes, Beats X, and I absolutely adore these. First of all, I love that they do this, so if you're like, you're not gonna lose them if you take them off. They're very, very comfortable, and they're also sound blocking, so like the sound quality is excellent, and I've made phone calls on it and it comes out clear. They come out clear. I'm in love, very in love, and the price points on these I'm not sure, but well, anyways, I love these. They're amazing. Thanks.
Okay. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Terminator Tech out.